Hey, welcome back. Today's word is one of the most beautiful words in the English language. It sounds like poetry. It feels like a dream. The word is evanescence. How to say it? Ev-uh-NES-ens. Say it slowly. Ev-uh-NES-ens. Evanescence. So what does it mean? Evanescence is the quality of fading or disappearing quickly. Something that is here one moment, and gone the next. Like morning mist dissolving as the sun rises. Like a soap bubble, beautiful, floating, and then gone. It comes from the Latin word evanescere, meaning to vanish. To disappear. To become empty. Now, some examples. The evanescence of morning fog gave the valley a magical appearance. He tried to hold on to the feeling of joy, but its evanescence left him longing for more. There is something beautiful about the evanescence of fireworks. They are stunning precisely because they do not last. And the adjective form, evanescent. Her smile was evanescent, there for just a moment, then gone. Synonyms, transience, fleetingness, impermanence, brevity. Opposites, permanence, eternity, endurance. So to wrap up, evanescence describes things that are beautiful, brief, and impossible to hold on to forever. Use it for nature, emotions, memories, anything that makes you think. I wish this could last just a little longer. Your challenge: think of one evanescent thing in your life right now and drop it in the comments below. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for a new word every single week. See you in the next one.